Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this black and white effect using filters on CapCut PC. So select a video first that you want to make black and white, then go to the filters section of the app. Then you are going to select the mono one here. Then you can choose any filter that you want. Any black and white filter that you want. There's a few options you can choose from. There's some, but these are like the pro filters. There's like a slight difference on these filters, slight depth as well. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.